Now let's take a look at how tarako and surimi are produced from the Alaskan pollock. Thanks to this production system, one can achieve everything from separating out the roe without damage, to processing the minced fish, and to removing collarbones at the astounding rate of 240 fish per minute. During the non-roe season, the machine can be used for simply removing the heads and guts. In other words, it has utility the whole year round. Fish are fed to the hopper. Fish on the hopper conveyor are sent to the oscillator. This sensor controls the volume of fish sent into the hopper, keeping it constantly at the desired level. The oscillator arranges the fish so that their heads are all placed in the same direction. The rotary design with a gentle vibration avoids damaging the fish in any way. Any excessive fish at this point are sent back to the constant volume supplying machine 213 on a return conveyor. After the heads are properly aligned, the bellies are arranged by this belly orienter and feeder. The properly aligned fish are supplied to the fish pocket of the Roe Separator. The position of the fish in the fish pocket is assured by the pectoral fins being hooked on the guide bars. Meeting the cutting knife in such a predetermined way, the fish can be cut without worrying about predetermined sizes. They can then proceed to the Roe Separator. The Roe Separator removes the guts of the fish without damaging the roe. Thanks to Toyo's unique leading-edge technology, roe separation and gut extraction can be done simultaneously at such a high speed. Looking at the cut fish heads, it is clear that big and small fish alike all get cut uniformly. Good quality tarako is separated without suffering any damage to the roe. The collarbones are stripped of roe and discharged after having been cut to about 0.5-inch widths. At the same time, the tail is also cut and ejected. For such accurate cutting, it is necessary that the fish be between 14 and 25 inches long. But this range covers most of the fish caught. Without any compromising of its smooth operation, this roe separator can be used by itself, apart from the fully automated processing line, which consists of an automatic roe separator, a head cutter, and the gut extractor. The number of fish being processed by the head cutter is displayed on the digital counter. The fish without heads, roe, guts, or tail are sent to the filleting machine by a spike chain. To properly remove the guts, the bellies are arranged by the filleting machine face down in the direction of the edge of the fillet knives. The belly is opened. Guts as well as internal organs are removed and the fish is cleaned. The backbone is also taken out at the same time. These two different sizes of fish are processed smoothly with a high yield. After the fish are processed by the filleting machine, they are conveyed to the meat separator or mincer for final processing. High-quality surimi, minced fish meat, is produced and separated by means of a screen drum. The whole process, including the fish being processed into surimi by the meat separator, is fully automated. This high-speed, high-quantity processing capability allows for an amazing 240 fish per minute. The rubber belt is pressed against the screen drum by means of an air compressor whose pressure is adjusted by the air pressure regulator. Adoption of a single-axis holding system for bringing together the roll-driving devices makes parts exchange easy. Let's look at the filleting machine again. Thanks to the upper part of the filleting mechanism opening and closing by means of an air cylinder, maintenance and sanitary cleaning can be done easily. Toyo's machines utilize stainless steel, high-quality aluminum, and reinforced resin. This prevents problems caused by saltwater corrosion. To ensure a steady supply of parts in North America and for after-sales service, the Parts Center in Dutch Harbor, Alaska, backs up Toyo's machines. This high-volume processing system, developed by Toyo, is designed to ease any strain between man and machine and to greatly reduce costs. We can proudly say that this is the system the fish processing industry has been waiting for. Together, with our wide experience and enthusiasm for the best and most well-coordinated system, Toyo will continue to provide economic